Perfect, 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 perfect.
Welcome everybody to the channel. This is Andre J. McClendon. For new subscribers, this is a business and financial education channel, and this video specifically is going to be about the weekly news wrap-up and the weekly week coming up. So we'll jump right into it. So guys, we're looking at forexfactory.com, and we're going to be looking at the news for next week and why it's so important. So next week is going to be First Friday. First Friday is a huge trading move, huge spreads, so please be cautious for CAD and dollar. Now you guys can go through the rest of these things, the rest of the highlighted. New Zealand has a bank holiday. You can go through the yellows or the reds and the oranges. But what I really want to go over, just briefly, is go over Friday. Now, why is Friday dangerous? Is because spreads might go to 10 pips, 20 pips, 30 pips, depending on how much money is being thrown out there. And it's mainly because of these 5 highlighted items in red. We have unemployment change, unemployment rate. We have average hourly earnings, non-farm payroll, and unemployment rate. These are really big items that especially can move the market 10, 100 pips, even 200 pips I've seen. And I've seen spreads as much as 30 pips. So it can knock you out of your trade really, really fast. So let's click on some of these right here. Let's go over the US ones right here. So, and this is how you guys can click on some of the historical data just to see what's been going on. So we can look at May 3rd, April 5th, March 8th, and you can read some of the data points about what's happening specifically during that time frame. And you can go back to the market and review what happened. Now you're not going to be able to see the spreads at that time. What were the spreads? But what you can do is see what happened to the market. And usually what I've seen is that the market builds up towards a certain direction before non-farm payroll, before First Friday comes out. Usually the market will bounce around in a small range for about 4 to 5 days prior to before First Friday, and then it explodes. And you can see where the banks enter and exit because they need to knock out and basically plan their entry off this information. So I tell you, if you're going to trade those times, just be careful because it can knock you out or make you a lot of profit very fast. So that's just a brief overview about Forex Factory, First Friday, big trading time, big gains or big losses. So be careful. And the last thing I want to go over, just to make it easy, is cryptocurrency and why I've been looking at it even more and more lately because it's just been really blowing up. And my favorite one is Litecoin right here, number 6. Right here, number 6. And this is this is coinmarketcap.com. I'll put the link in the description below. And Litecoin has been moving so fast. Like, we can look at Bitcoin if you'd like. I primarily stick with Litecoin. I just like the ratios. I like how fast it's been moving. Let's look at the charts. And I usually use investing.com to look at the charts. We can check that out right now. But to make this video a little bit shorter, I wanted to show you guys why Litecoin is such a beast. And let me go bring that up right now, the charts. So right now I'm using investing.com. This is bringing up crude oil. We're going to bring up Litecoin real quick. All right, here we go. And the reason why I tell you why investing in cryptocurrency has been just a different point of view is that you don't need to trade with margin or have a leverage account. You can trade with the 1-to-1 ratio just with the cash in your back pocket. You know, you're just trading with that because, like, if you looked at it in my first couple videos I've made ever, I think even the last 2-3 months, I was calling Litecoin long right here. Not that I thought it'd be a little bit shorter at this point, but look at Litecoin from this $22 mark area, and it's exploded up. You don't need a lot of money to be buying it in this area. You can trade with $200, make a 5% gain, 10% gain here and there, and exit, enter. You don't have to be, trade with a leverage account and risk getting stopped out. And that's a good way that's a fast way for you to lose their accounts. So And a good way that I would trade that, I use GDAX, so that's with Coinbase, and you can trade with their active trader. The fees are really cheap, so you don't have to worry about that. But that's it, guys. Now, I really want to get some feedback on what of the videos I made so far. So, like, subscribe, drop a comment below. We'll have the conversation. And thank you guys for your time and getting through this far in the video. And have a wonderful day. Thank you.